Hello everyone, welcome to this video on how to embed a report from the Bold Reports report server into a WPF application. The report server is a powerful application that allows you to store, manage, and deliver reports. Embedding the report server in your application provides seamless access to your reports without having to switch between different applications. In this video, I will show you the steps to create a WPF application in Visual Studio and load an already published RDL report from the report server. Let's get started. I open Visual Studio 2022 and click Create a new project. I select WPF application, then click Next. I name my application Report Viewer WPF and click Create. The WPF application is created. Next, to install the necessary NuGet packages in the application, I right-click the project and choose Manage NuGet Packages. In the Browse tab, I search for the boldreports.wpf package and install it in my WPF application. The boldreports.wpf package contains WPF reporting controls for viewing, printing, and exporting reports. Next, let's initialize the report viewer in the project. I open the main windows.xaml file and declare the boldreports.wpf report viewer namespace inside the window tag. Then, I create the report viewer component inside the grid tag. Next, to render the report viewer requires a report server URL, report path, and the report server credentials. I open the main window.xaml.cs file and initialize the main window loaded inside the main window constructor. I add the report server URL. This specifies the server name and the site information. I add the report server. I add the report server credentials. These are used to set the network credentials needed to access the SQL Server Reporting Services server. Then I set the report path. This report is found on my report server under the Sample Reports category, which I'll be loading at runtime. Then I invoke the refresh report method to process and render the current report in the main window loaded event. Now everything is ready to load the report viewer. I run the application. You can see the report viewer loaded in the browser. In this video, I've shown you how to add a report from the report server to the report viewer in a WPF application. I have provided a link to the relevant documentation in the video description. If you found this video useful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.